Sorry, I'm on a complete zoom in into my face at the moment because my room is in a total absolute mess, so I couldn't really show you my whole room. So anyway, today we're going to talk about, oh, by the way, we're living in the UK and it's almost like 29 degrees down south in the UK. Where we live in is like 30 degrees because we're near Heathrow Airport, and my skin is like completely sticky and I hate it. I'm really sorry about my hair. If it looks really messy, it's again because of the humidity in the air, and it's very warm and hot and sweltering in here. Today, when I was going out for a walk, I used this NUXE Bio Beaute, Bio Beaute by NUXE SPF 50. It's high protection silky cream and 100% mineral sunscreen. This sun cream offers a highly amount of minerals inside it, and it's protecting your skin against UVA and UVB rays. So it's enriched with chaulmoogra oil, which is grown in Asian countries. Here is a picture. It is water and sweat resistant. I don't really know what kind of SPF creams you may use, but to me, my skin usually, I don't know if it's because of the nature of the country I'm from, my skin is always like getting absolutely sticky when it's really hot. Well, all of us might do, but humidity makes it even worse. So this Bio Beaute NUXE SPF cream is exactly something that you would definitely need for this humid, hot weather. Another thing that is come with is this tan prolonging cream. It comes with mango extract, and I would say, well, I wouldn't say, it says on it, it is like an after sun cream, after sun moisturizing cream. Perfect match in one set, guys. You can just have it right now in our shop if you want to get it. I loved it.